Hello, welcome to the NovaFluxt Technology Company Limited. Today we have a brand new laptop. The laptop model is NF-25x155H, which comes with NPU. Now let's open this laptop and see what specification this laptop has. Okay, now we are in our desktop mode. Let's go to the properties. Now it's time to check our laptop specifications. As you can see, it's our own brand laptop, NovaFluxt NF-25x155H, which means that it's i7 and 15th generation H series. Okay, here you can see. Let me show you all the specifications of that particular laptop so you can easily know about it. Okay. As you can see that this CPU has 8 GHz processor base speed, which comes with 16 cores and 22 logic processor. That is huge. Literally, you can use that particular laptop for your all basic and advanced tasks. Whether you are a graphic designer, whether you're making modeling, you are making games, you are making video editing, all the tasks you can do it from that particular laptop. Okay. It also comes with 16 GB RAM, which, as you can see, the base speed is 5600 MB per second. That is basically shows that this is basically DDR5 RAM. It has two basically slots. Okay, the rest of other things you can check it out that how things is working. Okay, let's go with the SSD. Okay, here you can see it's 1 TB SSD, and it also comes with Wi-Fi 6. As you know that Wi-Fi 6 nowadays we need a Wi-Fi 6 and 5G networks, okay, and that is basically very fast network, so you can easily use it. As I already mentioned before, that comes with NPU. What NPU is basically, so NPU is neural processing unit, which are basically used for training models, and you can use any automation, you can do any AI related task through that laptop. Okay, it can do anything for you. You just have to tell them, you have to make the command, or you have to install some particular software that can use perfectly. As I mentioned that it has a GPU which is Intel R graphics, which is 128 MB, but as you know these laptops are a share-based GPU, so you can use it for that particular. These laptops have more ability. You can play high definition game like Valorant, like CSGO, like more games that are very huge and high graphic games. Even you can play GTA 5. Now GTA 6 is coming, so you can also use that GTA 6 game on that particular laptop. Okay, as you can see that normally laptops have some problems based on their camera and other specifications. That laptop gives you a better camera. Let me show you that. We are at night time and there is only one light is opening, and you will see that how clearly it shows that the quality of the video. Okay, and you can see that it also check my face wherever I am, identify it. Okay, this is basically normal thing, but just clarify you that how the quality of that video is. I'm not using anything. Okay, this is his camera. Okay, that comes with it. Okay, so let's talk about more about that particular laptop. This laptops come with two variations. I already told you that this one is basically Intel series. Okay, we have another series that is Ryzen series. Okay, we have changeable, adjustable things that are basically for the processor and graphic card. So if we go with the AMD series, we can also change our graphic card to AMD, and all these things can be adjustable and change according to the customer requirements. So if you are interested to know more about that laptop, and if you want to buy that laptop, please feel free to contact us. We are waiting for your response and your feedback. Thank you so much.